Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the environment right. Make sure your browser is updated, cookies and JavaScript are enabled, and you've paused any ad blockers. Click the I am not a robot checkbox once the page loads. You want to move quickly but deliberately. If the widget doesn't respond, refresh or open a private window to eliminate dirty state. Once done, watch the widget for a visual challenge. Prepare to select images or solve the brief puzzle the CAPTCHA presents. You now face the interactive challenge. Read the prompt, then click each tile that matches the target: roads, buses, storefronts, no guessing. If images are ambiguous or fail to load, switch to the audio option and listen closely. Type numbers or words exactly as you hear them. If the widget rejects your attempt, pause for a few seconds before trying again to avoid throttling. Make sure your selections are precise, because accuracy reduces extra challenges and speeds you through verification. Once you pass, the site should accept the token and proceed. Look for confirmation or continue to the next step. If you remain blocked, clear your cache, restart your browser, or switch networks. Sometimes your IP or stored state causes repeated failure. If problems persist, try another device to isolate local issues. As a last resort, contact the website's support and include a screenshot and the time of the failure so they can check server-side logs and assist you in restoring normal access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.